The universe runs on principles. Nature abides by them. Science follows them. So does Ayurveda. For thousands of years, its principles have been practiced, tested, and passed down. Not as belief, but as proof. Proof of precision. Proof of balance. Proof that when you work with nature's own intelligence, healing follows. Principles are Siddhant, they are rules. They are of healing. And when those rules are followed completely, something remarkable happens. A restoration. The kind that works with the body, not around it. The kind that resets. We've spent over 150 years in understanding these principles and practicing them honestly, because Ayurveda doesn't run on approximation. It moves with the right measure. It moves with the right discipline. It delivers through balance. Like nature, its form can adapt, but its Siddhant cannot, because the moment they do, it stops being Ayurveda. Ayurveda is only Ayurveda when it is Saiddhantik. Shree Dhootapapeshwar Limited, built on Saiddhantik Ayurved.